The two outside seats in Range Rover's second row are equipped to accept latch-type child restraints. Anchor bars built into the rear seat frame enable the latch restraints to be securely attached only in these positions. In addition, there are tether anchor bars on the back of the rear seats to secure child restraint anchor straps. Release the seat back and pull the seat forward. Pass the tether strap beneath the head restraint and over the back of the vehicle seat. Attach the clip to the tether anchor, but leave the webbing loose. Push the seat back until it latches. Install the latch restraints on either side of the child seat. To test the security of the installation, twist the seat from side to side and attempt to pull the restraint away from the vehicle seat. Then check that the latch anchors are still securely in place. Tighten the tether strap according to the manufacturer's instructions to remove any slack in the webbing. Always engage the child-proof locks on the rear doors.